Welcome to Open Network Learning. This is our first version of the course for 2019, and we're looking forward to meeting you all and starting a learning adventure with you. It's going to be a fascinating journey for all of you, and you're going to be learning about open network learning by doing exactly that, by learning together in networks online. So, it's time to get started, and we'll say a little bit about ourselves. We are the course organizers. My name is Alistair Creelman. I work at Linnaeus University in the southeast of Sweden.
And I am Maria Kvarnström. I work as an educational developer at Karolinska Institutet in Stockholm, Sweden.
My name is Jörg Pareiges, and I work as an educational developer at Karlstad University in the middle of Sweden.
I'm Lars Uhlin. I work as education developer also at Karolinska and also Linköping University.
And I'm Lotta Jansson. I work as an educational developer at Lund University, Sweden.
Here's some general information about the course for you. Of course, everything about the course and all the communication is on the course website, and the address you can see there, opennetworklearning.se. But let's have a look at how it's all built up. The course consists of the ONL191 community, and that is you. That is all the participants. I think it's over 100 this time, plus the facilitators and co-facilitators. And this community comes from rather a lot of universities. As you can see, we've got universities in Sweden, we've got Switzerland, we've got Finland, we've got Ireland, Singapore, and South Africa, which makes it a very international community. And that's one of the reasons we have Open Network Learning course. You're learning in an international community from different cultures, different languages, and different disciplines. In that community, there are a number of groups. And these groups are called PBL groups because we're working with problem-based learning. And each group has about 8 members. So you will be mixed from the different universities. And as you can see over on the right, we have invited a number of open learners into the course. And they come from all over the world, from many different places. And we let a number of open learners into the course each iteration. So in the community, there will be all these different study groups, the PBL groups, and there you will be working with colleagues from around the world. Each group has a facilitator and a co-facilitator. The facilitators come from the organizing universities that you see on the outside, and the co-facilitators are former students. They're former students of Open Network Learning who enjoyed the course and would like to continue. So they appear really as a help to you because they know what it feels like. And when you get stuck in your group work, the co-facilitator can maybe give you some suggestions of how to solve your problems. They know what it's like to be a participant. The facilitators, we call them facilitators rather than teachers because the idea is that they facilitate. They get the group started, they advise, they challenge, they discuss with you, but they are not there to teach you up front like a traditional teacher giving you lectures and so on. They're there to facilitate. Here's the outline of the course. All of this is on the main course site, of course. We are now getting started, and this is a week where we don't actually do any formal work this week. This week is for you to get started, to get into the course site, to learn more about the course, to start your blog, and just feel that you're ready to go. The following week is called Connecting. This is where the PBL groups will be assigned and you start meeting each other. You'll be meeting twice a week with your PBL group and you'll get to know each other and you'll have some simpler tasks to do in the Connecting week. And then the real course starts with the 5 topics. Topic 1, online participation and digital literacies. Topic 2, open learning. Topic 3, learning in communities. Topic 4, design for online and blended learning. And finally, topic 5, which is really summing it all up and looking forward. Lessons learned. You'll be going through these, and each topic you will have a scenario, a problem to solve together, and you will be expected to present your solution to the rest of the group. The course looks like this. Here are the topics that I mentioned, all in a line. On the Getting Started week, those of you who come from the participating institutions, you will have on-site campus meetings at the beginning of the Getting Started week. We'll have a help desk to help you with any technical problems, so the support will be available all week. And then when we get to the Connecting week, we'll have our first webinar where everyone gets together, and then the activities will start. Your PBL groups will start that week, and you'll start your blogs, and the blogs are there that's for your reflection on the course and your learning process. And during the topics, there will be webinars and there will be tweet chats. Tweet chats are more informal. They're great fun. They last about an hour, and they're, yes, very much for people who use Twitter or who would like to use Twitter. The tweet chats are not compulsory, but they're very good places to find out more about the topic and to discuss with everyone else. The webinars, they will be recorded. You can watch them later, but they're very interactive, so it's best if you can be there. But of course, with time zone differences, that is not always possible. But try to attend all these activities if you possibly can. Otherwise, you can look later. During a 2-week topic, at the beginning of the topic, you will get the topic introduction and your scenario to work with, and that will appear at the beginning of the topic week on the website, so keep an eye out for that. Then you will be having 2 group meetings a week where you'll be meeting online using e-meeting tools, so make sure you're ready for that. It's very good if you're there as often as possible, though of course we understand you can't meet all the time. Each group decides on the best meeting times that suit that group, so we cannot tell you when they will be. It's a group decision. And during the topic, the group will use collaborative documents in Google Drive mostly, to work on the scenario, to find information, to find interesting references and so on. And you'll be discussing in your group on the website. You'll share your final product for the topic, your solution to the scenario on the ONL community to everyone else. You will also individually write a reflection on your blog, and that will also be published for everyone to see. And you'll get comments from your peers, from the other people on the group, and on the whole course. And finally, some tips. Resources and equipment. The resources, the reading material and the videos, we publish them on the course site for each topic. There's recommended and there's further reading. You read what you can, as much as you can. Put your priority on the recommended reading. All these resources are freely available. You don't need to pay for them. They're not books you have to get out of the library. They're all available on the net. Please make sure you have good equipment for this course. You need a computer with a good internet connection, a broadband internet connection, preferably a wired connection. Wireless connections, Wi-Fi, the quality of sound and video can go up and down all the time, and it can be a bit difficult, but see what you can do. Please get a headset. Some new computers are good with internal microphones, but a headset gives good sound quality. A camera in your laptop or an external camera, but it's very important that we can see you, especially in your group work. And use your mobile devices as a complement or alternative when you're moving about, or if you're somewhere else other than your office or your home. So what happens next? Check out the Getting Started page, which is up now on the web. Follow the instructions. Be ready to join your PBL group on Monday, the 25th of February. You will be informed about which group you belong to and how to join. And check the course overview. Check all the events. Put the events into your diary to remember to keep them. As I said, they're optional, the webinars and the tweet chats. It's up to you. If you can come to them, please do. So there's no compulsory part of that. But the first event, the Connecting webinar, Monday, 25th February, 11 o'clock Central European time. Please check your time zones. We hope to see you there, and enjoy the course above all.